Guys, you are watching Now The Secret Will Unveil the Secret of Taste. And here I am in Shisha's kitchen, and before this, you must have seen a recipe. That was Shisha's Tandoor kitchen. This is Inside Vacation and Shisha with me, Chef Amir. And man, the malai kebab was absolutely lovely. Kebab-like, very tasty. Thanks. But everyone's favorite dish is butter chicken, and when you try making butter chicken at home, it just doesn't have that same restaurant quality taste. But that restaurant taste is going to come, because Chef Amir himself will reveal the butter chicken. Okay, so butter chicken is again.
A lot of butter.
More butter or butter chicken? Butter chicken is popular, it is.
Very popular. Okay, means heavy. Butter chicken on the third table.
Let's go to the table.
Chicken is mostly for Gujaratis, Punjabis and Delhiites. Butter chicken is from the Delhi side, a bit sweet.
It is. Sweet on one side, yours is on the sweeter side. Others are a bit spicy, but
It is. It's a bit spicy, but...
So butter chicken also has different variants.
It has variants and very rich, very creamy textures.
Yours is creamy and rich, so it's like a royal style birthday celebration.
Chicken.
It's called Awadi style, so let's get to it. We will make butter chicken. Stay tuned, but before we start, again, like the video, share it, subscribe to it, and stay there, because Chef Amir hit it. What are you making? Let's start quickly with butter chicken.
So my ingredients first I will.
Tell you my...
Ingredients are 100 grams of boneless chicken.
Okay.
Which is lightly grilled.
Okay, so this is 100 grams of boneless chicken. You have grilled it and added some flavor.
Yes, salt and red chili powder. Red
chili powder
and
salt. After salt, grill it.
Done. Okay, and my butter is 100 grams.
Amul butter.
Amul cream.
Amul cream, specifically with the brand also this salt.
Salt Tata.
Salt Tata salt.
White pepper powder MB.
HMD. Do you use HMD spices?
Yes, MDA. Degi mirch powder. Okay, this color. Kasuri methi powder.
Again?
Yeah, and this is my special spice. Cinnamon powder, dal, sugar.
Dal cinnamon powder.
Okay, and this is dabur honey.
Okay, you are using honey also? This is interesting. Honey?
We don't use sugar. I use honey.
So you use honey? Honey is healthier. Let's start, let's not.
And this is my Nova tomato.
Okay, this is tomato.
This?
Also easily available in the market.
Yes, easily, and cashew paste.
This is the cashew paste. How did you make it?
Just boiled the cashews and ground them.
Because you need to boil and grind the cashews. No water or anything?
Just added a little water. The texture is good.
What plate are you making? So how much quantity? How much cashew paste?
Will be...
Boil 50 grams of cashews and make a paste.
Paste. Kizan tomato.
Okay, this is interesting kitchen and tomato kitchen. Okay, so now butter chicken will be made here. So go for it. So I am using this camera. From my view, you'll also see the recipe. I got it.
Light is on.
Okay.
First, we'll add butter.
Okay, so we have the butter here.
1. Butter. To give it some color now, add chili powder.
Chili powder for the color.
1 teaspoon chili powder then. Butter has melted. The color has come in nicely. And then I added some tomato ketchup.
Okay, a little tomato.
Add it.
Smells good too then.
My powder is kasuri methi.
Kasuri methi, 1 spoon added.
Yes, 1 spoon kasuri methi. This is done well. Now my tomato paste. Okay, as much as the quantity of tomatoes, that much cashew won't be. From that, 1/4.
So you took 1 bowl of tomato.
Okay. Done. Now my white gravy.
This is the white for the white gravy, white cashew.
Paste.
Okay.
For mixing with. The texture of the gravy has come out well. the oil has mixed well inside it. Okay, how much?
Add water.
100 milliliters.
So you have added 100 milliliters of water.
Okay. Then I added the chicken to the dish. The chicken is now in.
Chicken also.
Chicken is done. Now I'll add red chili powder again.
Red chili powder is being added.
My salt is here.
Salt is here. Taste.
And
White
pepper.
pepper.
Fine. Cinnamon powder, this is mine.
For aroma, this is yours.
First, I'll make sure to touch the water properly and thoroughly.
Okay, it brings sweetness.
Now for sweetness, I'll add it's not here.
Okay.
Or 1 spoon of honey.
They've added 2 spoons of honey as well.
1 spoon should be added, but many people like it a lot, so then you should add butter, 1 spoon. Yes, butter is here. And the final touch is cream.
Yes.
3 spoons, 3. With 3, it brings full richness.
Yes, the colors look great. The richness is there.
We'll do the plating. Which one? This is its thickness.
The aroma is very good, and I'm sure the taste will be just as great. I just had the chance to experience the kebabs here, and they were absolutely superb. I've always been a fan of their North Indian and Mughlai dishes, especially. And now, let's go.
Should I pour?
Yes, let's go ahead and do it. What a thing. You'll impress your whole family if you make this. How much do we get this for if you are here?
Over here, 345.
All right, so for the price of $345, you get this delicious butter chicken here. And once again, I'm quite sure about that. Garnishing is left.
Yes? Yes. Yes, yes. Yes.